Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasser the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. Guys, today when I opened my YouTube Studio application, I have a notification like this. Starting in November, we are simplifying ad controls. So what is the notification about all and what we should do about this notification? To know more about this notification, click on the notification. Now the notification is open. First of all, the notification is saying that in November, the YouTube is simplifying the ad controls just to improve the creator revenue. The second thing the YouTube is saying in the notification that YouTube is removing individual ad choices. It means when you upload a video on YouTube and turn on the monetization, you see there are some options of the ad like skippable, non-skippable, pre-roll, post-roll ad options, and now the YouTube is going to remove these ad controls in the monetization. Further in this regard, the YouTube is saying that the YouTube will show different types of ads on your videos when the YouTube feels appropriate to be appeared on your video. Then the YouTube is saying that your choice about mid-roll ads is not going to be changed. It means you can turn on or off your mid-roll ads. And the last thing is that the YouTube is not going to change your ad settings for your pre-existing or pre-uploaded videos. It means that all the ad settings are going to be changed in November uploads. However, you can adjust the ad setting preferences according to the new rules at your own choice. The summary of the whole point is that the YouTube is taking off the control of ad setting just to maximize the creator's revenue and also the YouTube revenue, and also to enhance the user experience. Next point is that the YouTube has already stopped overlay ads since April 2023. Overlay ads appear in the desktop or Windows operating system browsers. Then the YouTube is explaining different types of ads, their description, platforms, etc. like skippable, non-skippable ads, bumper ads, and where these ads are shown. And now if you want to change ad setting for all of your video contents at once, then the YouTube is explaining the step-by-step method. You can choose this step-by-step method to apply all the ad setting to all of your contents at once. And at the end, the YouTube is saying you can set default ad setting for your account or ID or channel. It means then if you upload a video, the video ad setting is applied by default. I think that's enough for the today's video. If you found my video informative, like and share with your friends. If you are new to channel, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon for future notification. Thanks for watching. Take care.